Every time I park here, yes, they see that it's me and my clean car. Why do they keep themselves concealed, then poop on my windshield? They can't wait to defecate on my clean car. On the day I cleaned the car and polished it and made it shine and parked it in my parking place assigned, I locked the car up good and tight. They wait till I'm out of sight and then they fly. Why do they fly down from the blue every time my car looks new? Each bird sees if his feces spot my clean car. The day before I have it washed, I check for any rain, of course, to try at least to keep the outside clean. I even try to hurry up and hide the car before it can be seen. So they do their thing once more, and I repeat my cleaning chore. Yes, they see that it's me and my clean car. Paper towels, bird poop spray, just another day. Whoa, more bird poop. Whoa, what can I do? Whoa, I don't have a clue. Whoa, I'm never through.